Hi guys, so ngayon is I'm really thankful of this job that I'm doing as well as for my teammates. They are very generous and kind talaga and very patient when teaching me kasi a lot of things that I'm doing right now is very new to me na I never encountered it even before. So I was really nervous kasi what if hindi ko kaya yung gawin, what if wala akong matapos, pero kapag nasa totoong teammate ka and they're willing to teach you, you would able to accomplish all your tasks talaga. Parang they are willing to help and guide you, and they are very soft spoken din. And yan, that's what I'm really thankful of, especially to my senior developer. He's very kind. Task na ginawa ko for today is just update the landing page, and meron pa silang binigay na task, pero tomorrow or bukas ko na yan i-work on kasi medyo tired na tayo.
Grabe mo pang abuso ng asawa.
Alis mo kasi yung tape. Wala kung saan sumuot. Hindi ko alam kung saan sumuot.
Since I'm here sa hospital, I'm going to take care of my father. Umuwi na muna si mama. Listen, I'm always haggard kasi pawisin ako, so kada konting galaw pawis agad, or yung in circumstances walang electric fan, ganun, madali akong pagpawisan kahit maglalakad lang ako ng sobrang lang, siguro 3 blocks of houses, pawis na agad ako nun.